मुंबई में रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3141 ने महिलाओं को सशक्त बनाने और स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं की पहुंच बढ़ाने के लिए ऐतिहासिक पहल की है। रोटरी इंटरनेशनल के अध्यक्ष फ्रांसेस्को अरेजो की उपस्थिति में पिंक ऑटो इनिशिएटिव के तहत 10 पिंक ऑटो को हरी झंडी दिखाई गई। यह योजना महिलाओं को आत्मनिर्भर उद्यमी बनने का अवसर देती है, जिसमें रोटरी 50% वित्तीय सहायता प्रदान कर रही है। इसके साथ ही रोटरी ने देवनार में मल्टी स्पेशलिस्ट हार्ट हॉस्पिटल और मुलुंड में आई हॉस्पिटल की भी घोषणा की। वहीं दोनों अस्पताल अत्याधुनिक सुविधाओं से युक्त सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस के रूप में कार्य करेंगे। रोटरी के सिद्धांत सर्विस अबाउट सेल्फ के तहत यह सेवा प्रदान की जा रही है। इस अवसर पर पत्रकारों से बातचीत के दौरान रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर डॉक्टर मनीष मोटवानी ने कहा कि रोटरी का उद्देश्य है व्यक्तियों, समुदायों और पूरी दुनिया में स्थायी बदलाव लाना। आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष की उपस्थिति में हमारा सेवा का यह सफर नई प्रेरणा जोड़ती है।
Today we are fortunate enough that we have come up with a lovely project of flagging of pink autos. Flagging off of pink autos, which is a Rotary initiative, where today, courtesy our large-hearted donor Sunu Matthews from Leap India, Rotary District 3141 and Rotary Club of Mumbai Dahisar with Rotary Club of Mumbai Bhandup is flagging off 10 pink autos for 10 women to be on the streets of Mumbai, driving those pink autos and ensuring women empowerment happens at the grassroots level. We are fortunate that we today have with us our Rotary International President, our global leader, Francesco Arezzo, who is here along with his better half, Anna Maria, to ensure that they witness this and bless this situation, bless this occasion, and ensure that this movement of bringing women empowerment goes to every corner of the country. I would request our global leader, our international president, Francesco, to say a few words.
I am so delighted to be here today to see the elaboration of this great project. It's just the beginning of the project because it's a very ambitious project. They think to put on the streets of Mumbai about 1,000 big homes. So we are just beginning. But what is essential, in my opinion, is that where there is a problem, where there are women that don't have dignity, don't have a job, the Rotarians are there, are always there, and they try to find a solution. And very often they find a solution. And that is important because the Rotarian is always engaged in to do the world a better place where to live. And I am sure that tomorrow the world is better than today because they will begin to work, to have a job, to have a dignity, and we all will be more happy than yesterday.
Friends, Rotary is a wonderful organization. I am currently the district governor, I am Dr. Manish Motwani. But Rotary has taken up this cause of women empowerment. And we feel one of the most important aspects, as said by our international president, is vocational dignity. And Rotary always tries to find out a solution where there is a problem. We take it as an opportunity when we get a chance to do something for the community. But we should never forget that who are the people who are supporting Rotary in this cause. These are the large-hearted donors. These are our CSR partners who, on the word of Rotary, the amount of trust they have towards Rotary, without any difficulties say, yes, we are there to support the cause. And today, friends, we have with us one such large-hearted donor, Mr. Sunu Matthews. He is the managing director and chairman and founder of Leap India, a firm which does huge business, but they are firmly rooted. They are the ones who want to support us, support our government, and support the country in women empowerment. I would also like to take this opportunity to request our CSR partner, Sunu Matthews, to say a few words why he felt this cause was important and why he felt that Rotary is the organization with which you should partner.
Thank you, Mr. Motwani. Hi, I'm Sunu Matthew, Managing Director of India. We always try to see that our CSR budget absolutely see the light for the people who actually requires it. And what better than a Rotary as a group? We are so very confident that when we give the money to Rotary, our money is absolutely going into the right cause, to the right people, and directly to the people. In this parlance, we got the opportunity to put the money into pink auto rickshaws. We did this once in Daisar, now we are doing it in Mulund, and we would like to take this forward. We absolutely believe that if the woman is empowered in India, the entire family is empowered in India. So with this philosophy of skill development and women empowerment, we thank Rotary as an organization with whom we will be there hand in hand for next many decades to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Manish, sir, tell us about
Friends,
your
one second.
upcoming
I would also like to take up this opportunity because I don't know whether you all are aware that Mr. Sunu Matthew speaks lovely Hindi also. जो आपने अब कहा है, क्या आप यही चीजें हिंदी में भी इनको कह सकते
जी
हैं?
जरूर जरूर सो हमारे संस्था जो है लीप इंडिया, आप अगर उसमें देखेंगे तो अभी हमारा 17 से 20% के करीब हमारी विमेन एम्पावरमेंट है। और जब हमारे पास में रिज्यूमे आता है तो हम सबसे पहले ये देखते हैं कि विमेन को कैसे एम्प्लॉय किया जाए, बिकॉज हमारा काम जो है बहुत रूटीन का है, डिसिप्लिन का है, और हम सोचते हैं कि विमेन से ज़्यादा कोई दूसरा डिसिप्लिन नहीं हो सकता। इस संदर्भ में हमारे साथ में रोटरी क्लब आया है और हम हमेशा ये समझते हैं कि जब भी हम 1 रुपया भी रोटरी को देते हैं वो बिल्कुल सही लोगों के पास सही समय पे सही तरीके से पहुंचता है, क्योंकि हमें भी एस CSR एक्टिविटी गवर्नमेंट को बहुत सारी चीज़ें बतानी होती है, बट एक बार हम कोई भी काम रोटरी क्लब के साथ करते हैं तो हमको पूरी तरह से क्लियर हो जाता है कि ये सही काम में सही जगह लगा हुआ। हम देश की महिलाओं को ऊपर लेके आना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि अगर महिला ऊपर आएगी तो पूरा परिवार ऊपर आएगा, परिवार ऊपर आएगा तो पूरा देश ऊपर आएगा। मैं तहे दिल से रोटरी क्लब का बहुत सम्मान और अभिनंदन करता हूँ। और मैं साथ ही साथ ये जो 10 महिलाएं हैं जिन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज लिया है कि बैस्टियन को तोड़ते हुए, जो मेल बैस्टियन है उसको तोड़ते हुए उन्होंने बोला है कि हम ऑटो रिक्शा चलाएंगे और मुंबई की सड़कों पे चलाएंगे। 2 लोगों को और बहुत ज़्यादा धन्यवाद करूँगा। एक तो मुंबई की पब्लिक जो इनको सपोर्ट करती है कि ये मुंबई में ऑटो रिक्शा चलाए, और दूसरा मुंबई की पुलिस जो इंश्योर करती है कि हमारा विमेन के प्रति 0 या बिल्कुल कम क्राइम। तो ये इसके साथ में मैं अपनी बात को एड्यूस करता हूँ कि रोटरी और विमेन एम्पावरमेंट दोनों साथ साथ चलें।
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे?
Tell us about your upcoming projects to increase women empowerment about Rotary Club.
So, my friends, this is not just one project that we are doing towards women empowerment. We are adopting villages. We are now creating a system that we want to increase employability of women through Rotary. And when we are going to villages, we are increasing the vocational skilling, not only in villages, not only in rural India, even in urban India. In Mumbai itself, we have started with so many vocational skilling centers, and each vocational skilling center is so women specific. We want more and more women to come out, we want more and more women to become independent, and we want more and more women to ensure that they take care of the working of the house, and they also take care of the education of their children. We don't want even a single lady to be oppressed. We want that women should be empowered and they should be there to take the nation forward.
थँक्यू सर.
निष्पक्ष बातम्या, नवा दृष्टिकोन, युवा स्तंभ न्यूज नेटवर्क.